Here are 5 reasons to not soak your wood when you're barbecuing or smoking. First of all, it gives a terrible, acrid taste. Wet wood does not burn properly, and so it creates puffy, white smoke that does not taste good. This is called improper combustion or incomplete combustion. Think of that smell that you smell when you pour water over your campfire or hot coal. Inconsistent temperatures. The wet wood, when placed on coal, drops the temperature sometimes below where you need it. Then, if your fire is strong enough to stay lit, it will heat that wood up and then get it dry. When that wood is dry, it bursts into flames and creates inconsistent temperatures throughout the rest of your cook. Inconsistent temperatures will give you inconsistent meats. Too much smoke. Believe it or not, you can over smoke meats. Using wet wood, which leads to long periods of smoldering, will definitely over smoke your food. When this happens, it can cause indigestion and other GI problems that you will be belching that smoke for days. Unpleasant smoking experience. Because of the inconsistent temperatures, you will forever be chasing your temperature all over the place. You will have to tend to that fire more than you would normally do. And next, discolored meat. Dirty smoke coming from wet wood makes your meat look like it's done, but it's really just that dirty smoke gathering on your meat and giving it a dark, ugly color. You want that beautiful candy red, like they call it. Follow for more.